How to pin files to File Explorer Home in Windows 11. This tutorial shows you how to keep important files just one click away. First, open File Explorer on your computer. After that, navigate to the file you want to pin. From there, right-click on that file. At this point, select Pin to Quick Access from the menu, since this is what places it directly on your homepage. In the next step, the file will now appear under the Favorites or Pinned section on Home. Following this, click on Home in the sidebar anytime to see all your pinned files in one place. Once done, repeat these steps for any other files you'd like quick access to. From here, if you'd rather unpin a file later, right-click on it directly from the Home view. At this stage, select Unpin from Quick Access to remove it. Keep in mind, pinning a file doesn't move or copy it. It simply creates a shortcut so it's easier to reach without navigating through folders. Finally, drag and drop pinned files to reorder them based on how often you use each one. And that's it. If this guide helped you pin files to File Explorer Home in Windows 11, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.